In this video, we will discuss slab panels and support lines in SAFE version 23. Let's get started. We'll be using this L-shaped slab model for this example. So let's talk about slab panels. They are non-structural geometric objects defining an area of the slab. They would normally be bounded by support lines, but are currently used in the program for 4 different purposes: automated pattern loading, summary table of maximum displacement results with the slab panel, summary of table of maximum soil pressure within the slab panel, and meshing lines along the edge of the slab panel. So let me show you how to define slab panels. We'll go to Edit, Add Edit Slab Panels, Add Slab Panels using grids. We'll delete these extra 4 slab panels because there's no slab located there. Next, to add and edit support lines, we'll go down here, Add Support Lines, and we'll put them in the X direction as well as the Y direction. Here is another example of adding support lines for a non-rectangular model type. You could simply select the grid direction, in this case radial, and you can see support lines have been added. You can use support lines for faster modeling of design strips and tendon layout. As I've shown, they were automatically generated, but you do also have the ability to draw them manually. Next, we'll need to define an auto-arranged pattern live load. To do that, we'll go under Define, Load Patterns, define a load as well as select the Pattern Live Auto type, and click OK. Once this is done, the program will automatically create a multi-step linear static load case with this load pattern. Each step will load a slab panel with the sum of all the loads applied to it with a load pattern of type live or reducible live. There will be as many steps as slab panels that end up with a load. So after you run the analysis and design, results are available for each step as well as range combination of all steps. We'll define that here in one moment. This range combination gives the maximum and minimum of all possible patterns of loaded slab panels. These range combination results are later used for design with an anti-gravity load combination including all applicable load factors from the combination as well as live load reduction factors. So to do that, we'll go to Define, Load Combinations, and under the combination type, you'd need to select Range Add. Then define combination of load case combo results. This is the auto pattern live load that we have defined. Okay, let's run the analysis. Now that the analysis has been run, let's take a look at some deformed shapes. Under Display, Show Deformed Shape, you can select the auto pattern live load. And you can step through and see how the loads are being applied to the slab panels. Next, let's take a look at some range combination output. To do that, we can go to Display, Show Force Stress Diagrams, and let's take a look at the strip forces. Under Combination, we will select the combination that was defined with the range combination. Here, you can see the maximum and minimum of all possible patterns of loaded slab panels.